Coming off a grueling three-game semi-series, the PayMaya High Flyers failed to bring their signature grit in Game 1 of the Premier Volleyball League Finals against the Creamline Cool Smashers. Watching his team rally back from 2 sets down against a determined BanKo Perlas Spikers squad, head coach Roger Gorayeb missed his team's intensity against the Cool Smashers. Parang naghihintay kami na mag-swing yung momentum. Hindi kasi dapat ganoon, dapat kami yung mag-shift ng momentum, hindi yung maghihintay kami, rued, the most decorated coach in NCAA and PVL history. Gorayeb refused to make excuses for his squad's performance, pointing out that PayMaya should be more motivated after making the finals. Alam no, kung player ka, kahit anong hirap no, bukas tatayo ka. Laban na ulit ako, gusto niyo ngayon na maglabanan na tayo ulit, wala ng Sabado, ngayon na ulit, diretso mo na yung finals, the fiery mentor shared. Di ba ganon yung gusto natin? Player ka yun ang pangarap mo, mag-finals ka. Ilang team kami? Walong team. Dalawa lang ang natitirang nagfa-finals, isa pa kami done, he pointed out. Dapat yung na lang. I don't want to make excuses, meron kaming pagkukulang. Sabi ko nga sa kanila, no ifs, no buts, we have to play our best today. Kasonga wala walang nag-step up. Accepted naman naman yun.